Hey there, I'm Sophia Lilly. Welcome to the channel. Today, I want to talk directly to anyone who's felt let down or frustrated after trying Tadalafil and not getting the results they hoped for. If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. Let's clear the air and fix this, because the truth is, for a lot of guys, the problem isn't the pill. It's just how it's being taken. Let's jump right in with the top 5 reasons Tadalafil might not be working for you, and how to fix it. Timing matters. Tadalafil isn't instant. If you're using the on-demand dose, you've got to give it at least an hour before intimacy. Peak effect? Usually hits in about 2 to 3 hours. So if you're taking it and expecting magic in 15 minutes, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Big meals slow it down. Taking it after a heavy, greasy dinner? Bad idea. Fatty food delays absorption. Instead, try it on an empty stomach or after a light meal. No stimulation, no effect. Tadalafil doesn't create arousal. It helps your body respond when you're already turned on. So, yes, foreplay, connection, and mood still matter. Stress ruins everything. Anxiety, pressure to perform, your body releases adrenaline, which cancels out Tadalafil's effects. Try to stay relaxed. This isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Giving up too early on daily doses. If you're on the daily 5 mg dose, it can take 2 to 4 weeks to build up and show full results. So don't give up after a few days. Consistency is key. Oh, and watch your alcohol intake. A glass of wine? Fine. But too much booze? It interferes with both your brain and the medication. Also, if you're buying generic Tadalafil and it's not working, talk to your doctor. Not all generics are created equal.